That donkey. And a bunch of little cows.
Hey guys, we were taking a drive today and we saw this llama and we wanted to stop and let the girls look at it.
Yeah.
Let's see. But unfortunately, it's not coming up here to us.
Yeah, they're not that curious with us. There's, I know about 4 or 5 out there. That's dealings with them. But I got a friend that's got one, and he says, you know, they'll spit on you, and the spit is nasty. I mean, they spit on you, you go take a bath. But they say they're really good guard animals for the cattle. A lot of people use them around here.
Yeah.
And they run off the coyotes and the dogs and everything else and help protect the cattle. But most people use a donkey. And I just saw one just right up the road there.
A donkey?
Yeah, with a bunch of cows.
Yeah.
And that's what they're using them for.
Well, I tell you what, why don't you let me hold the girls and you go in there and wrestle him up?
Yeah. He might not like me.
Come on, cowboy.
Yeah.
You scared of the llama?
If I had to, I would, but I ain't gonna volunteer.
Look at the girls, how cute they are.
I know, they're so cute. And Lillian, she don't like the wind, which I don't blame her. I really don't either.
Yeah. Look at Gracie's face.
Yeah.
She's talking to Brandon.
Yeah, see. Yeah, take that hat off, Brandon.
Let's see Lillian.
See Lillian?
She looks so cute in her
so
pants.
Cute. Yeah.
Yeah.
She knows how to stay warm.
You know what a llama sounds like?
I can't imitate it, no.
Come on, try.
Yeah, Brandon can.
Brandon doesn't know.
Yeah.
It's up to you, Billy.
No, it ain't up to me. But anyway, that's the llamas. Don't look like they're coming up. I wish they would.
Yeah, maybe on a warmer day we can get them up.
Or you may just have to catch them up here by the fence.
Yeah.
But, you know.
Well, I'm going to turn the camera off for a second and see if Billy can wrestle them up.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that llama. Wow, that one's pretty. Boy, they're huge.
That donkey is a guard donkey.
Yeah.
You notice there's just one of them. If you'd put 2 of them out there, then that donkey'd be off somewhere else. But since there's just one of them, she'll stick around and run off all the dogs and stuff.
Yeah, the dogs. Right.
Yeah, I had a friend of mine said cows will let their calves lay down and they'll go off and graze. He said that donkey would get over and get them calves up, try to carry them over with the cows.
Yeah, so they use the donkeys to protect the cattle. Are you looking at those cows? Lillian, look at the cows, baby. Gracie.
Oh, no.
Brandon wears that hat and Gracie tries to tell him all about it.
Yeah.
But she doesn't care if Daddy wears a hat. She's like, you're not Dad, take your hat off.
Yeah, you trying to look like Dad. All right.
Lillian's checking the cows out. Oh, that horse is over there taking a sun bath.
Yeah. All right, come here. Quit.
Look at that longhorn cow right there.
Pretty neat little cows. I wish that donkey would come over here. You can pet that donkey.
When you said that, she opened her mouth.
Yeah. You see that donkey? Huh? You see that donkey? Yeah.
What is that, Lillian?
Is that a donkey? Huh? Is that a donkey? And a bunch of little cows. You see all that? Yeah. Gracie. Gracie, you're not interested in no cows, are you? See, I'm interested in Brandon's cow.
Sun, aren't they?
Uh-huh. Nice chilly night last night.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, they are all out sunning.
On the way home, we saw these beautiful horses. Lillian, look at the horses. Look at this baby. Look at that little colt. How adorable is that? Look at that baby. Look at that beautiful mama right there. And we have another mama and her colt right there. Lillian, what do you think about those horses?
Look, what is that? Look at that. That's a little one.
You see the baby horse, Lillian?
Yeah, look at that. He's a little one.
That's a baby.
He's a little bit older. Yeah. What is it?
So Billy took his truck and he's going to get a little bit of gas because he's going to mow. So on the way home, we saw these horses. Thought we'd just stop, let Lillian look, but she's interested in the fence. Gracie, what do you think, baby?
Yeah.
Look at those horses.
Look.
Are you?
Look, man. Look, he's coming up.
Hold on to her good. Look at the horse. Horse came up to us.
Yeah.
What do you think, Lillian?
Yeah.
Look at that, Lillian.
That's a horsey. Dang.
Come here, girl. She doesn't know what to think about that.
I'm telling you.
She's trying to hide. Gracie's looking at him.
Gracie, look. What do you think?
Gracie, look at the horsies, baby. Gracie's not as scared as Lillian.
Lillian jumping all over the place.
She didn't know what to think of those. Okay, we made it home. Gracie! So we had fun. We had a little adventure today. And we're glad y'all went with us. If you haven't subscribed to Lillian's channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button below. Don't forget to check out Monkey Gracie's channel. She's got some really adorable videos and informative videos. We've been documenting her since we got her. She's 5.5 months old. And so we are going to keep documenting her growing up just as we did with Lillian. And Lillian found her baby in my truck. So anyway, we hope y'all are having a super awesome day today and staying safe. And we're sending everybody big hugs and lots of love. And we will catch y'all in the next video.